We're back on a Thursday. I'm gonna be hitting up Bro and Max with a few of the homies today. Yes, sir. Track's looking primo. Primo? I don't know which way to say it, but it's looking good. Guy rolls up all factory and shit, new phone. No, Amy makes more moms probably. Accomplish more before 8 a.m. on Sunday or on Monday than you do all week. So fucking out. Bro, stop taking fucking videos of me. Making an entrance to the practice day. Just for you, I got protein bar, okay, some smokehouse almonds, and a Fiber One 9-gram fiber chewy bar. That's race fuel. Listen to these guys. You hear that? Off rev limiter everywhere. This is absolute. We got air in the forks. We did not check tire pressure. Really washed it. Yeah, it's not even washed. It don't matter. We're here to ride, not wash bikes. Was it straight from the track last time? Yeah, that'll work. How we doing? We're doing it. No wash job, no fit. We got a filter. We got a chain guide this time, though. Look at it. Oh yeah, she's on there. No gas either. Only got one tank full. If I run out, then I'll have to go get some. It's caked. I gotta change it. You want a filter? Yeah. Unreal. This is the great support. No way. We got the next year's factory sponsorship already coming in some Triumph motorcycles. Let's go. Let's go. Guy was going 125s 2 weeks ago. Now he's running 120s consistently. God. Huge improvements for what guy? Yeah, no, my good friend Ty behind the camera just tells me to ride on the balls of my feet. So that's what I do. To show you, it's like right in this vicinity here. Oh, and use your front brake, kids. Ty can't touch my rear brakes, but he touches my front brakes, and that's not good because my rear brakes are hot, front brakes aren't. So I got to use those a little more, like a lot more. But you know, we're just cruising. Fun and safe, though. Yeah. You know what I mean? Yo, can we at least get an Instagram.
Yo.
Now that the offer's off.
What, mine?
Yeah. If you're about to take this Toyota across the track.
Underscore Devin Briggs underscore.
We got it. Need parts
I'm not
or
gonna
anything.
Do it.
Community off-road and VTR suspension. Thank you.
So
I'll take the box
with the
truck.
new balls on the balls of the feet on the pegs, I think I'm gonna take this out next time. That thing's got.
That sounds good. That sounds good.
It's green, however, though. I don't know if you feel might need a paint job.
We'll paint it blue. We'll rattle paint it blue. This is our friend Devin. Devin's taking his truck on the course. Not a hazard. Devin's a good dude. Kind of easier through the corners. Try not to blow anybody off the track and have some fun.
Yeah,
know?
hit some jumps.
Are you
Fucking
fired up?
Hit the rollers fast.
Yeah.
Okay? And grab another cigarette and smoke it while you're driving.
What's up, kid? You got some cash? Because this is cash only.
Yeah, cash only business, baby.
I'll Venmo you. I got you.
So Wendy's in Athol, September 2018. Me, Mikulenko, Kolb, and Tyler.
Shut him down. It was a good day at the course. Unfortunately, we didn't get to see that BMW combust, but
120, baby.
Let's go.